Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one.
Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one.
All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at the audio to MIDI feature in Synthesizer V Studio here, where you take a audio of a singer and transport it into MIDI and then have it re-sing it with inside Synthesizer V Studio here. It works very well. It's one of the newer features in the updated version. Yeah, so, and I also changed words too. Now, why would you want to do this? A couple of reasons. I had a singer sing something and he mispronounced one of the words and I didn't really catch it right away. And then I said, oh my God. So then I decided, well, I'll throw a female vocalist in there and make it a duet kind of song, change the word, do all that kind of fun stuff. That's one reason. Other reason is you could be singing your own demos and stuff like that. And then you want to have a more professional vocalist, if you're not a professional vocalist, sing it. There's that. There's all kinds of reasons, all kind of fun with this program. I have a bunch of other videos too on Synthesizer V Studio here and some of the other products from Dream Tonics. So you can check those out as well. I've been using this for about a year now. Anyways, let me just shut up and get into today's thing here. All right, let's go. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to take this male vocal part here and replace it with a female vocalist and change a word. Not really change the word, change the pronunciation of a word. Let's play the verse here. It's real quick.
Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one. Stumbling out of bed, you said, you know I'll be here till the end.
All right, so he says right here, the lyric is stumbling out of bed, but it sounds like he says stumping out of bed, which is kind of weird.
Stumbling out of bed, you said, you know.
Right there. So I don't have access to this singer anymore. So, I mean, I could rehire him, but I figured why not make it a duet song, and we'll replace it with a female vocalist, and for the purpose of this video too. And then we'll change that word and we'll add in the female in the chorus and every place else. Not every place else, but wherever else feels needed. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this we'll just do this vocal clip. We don't have to do the whole song here, just for the demo purposes here. Now, by the way, I already did all of this, but I'm just going to redo it to show you, and we'll play some more at the end. Anyways, let's go right here. I want to turn off all these effects because I want a really dry recording without the reverbs and stuff. And I'm going to get it at the right spot.
There
we go.
Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one.
So we'll just take that clip there.
Woke up in the morning.
Probably need to start a little bit before because it starts right on the beat.
Woke up in the
All right, that's good. So we'll bounce that down, get rid of that bus compression or whatever that is. All right, so now we're going to open up an instance of Synthesizer V here. We're going to import that audio track. We can just drag it over. And then MP3 files do not support sample, blah, blah, blah. Convert to, yes, let's convert it. I should have bounced it down to WAV, but whatever. Doesn't matter. Just convert it real quick. All right, so now we have it in studio, the Synthesizer Studio. Now, it's not at the right part of the song, but let's do this first. We're just going to solo it. Well, you don't need to solo it. I'm going to go to here, and we're going to extract notes from audio. And then voice to MIDI conversion, note detection sensitivity, leave that at 80%, round pitch to the nearest semitone, polymeric transfer, yes, transfers the lyrics, transfer pitch. I'm just gonna leave these all set the way they are, hit OK. All right, so we're just gonna select the vocalist here, and then we have this.
Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one.
And we'll mute the audio track here. So now we have this.
Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one.
All right, so that's the vocal part there. There's some things we can adjust with the vocals too here, because it doesn't do everything perfect, but it's very good right out of the box, or whatever you want to call it. I mean, that just copied the vocal, did the MIDI, did all the words. Sometimes, I've done it other times, it's a little mixed results. Sometimes you gotta type in, change some of the words here and there, like that whoop, that part there is kind of strange to me. Like in the beginning here.
Morning sun. Woke up in the morning sun.
I guess that could work when it's in the music. But the stumbling out of bed here.
Stumbling out of bed.
Zoom in here. We're going to try to change this pronunciation. And by the way, there's a really good thing on their website for vowel sounds, consonants, how to get the right sound. It gives you a little description here. So we want stumbling out of bed. Sta. That's stumbling. Well, we could try it on our own here before we look through all this. Sta. Go in here, type in the lyrics. Sta. Stumbling. Now you could type the words in as they're spelt, but as you see here, when it transcribed it, I mean, it's stumbling out of bed. Of is it's or a, I don't know, whatever. Stumbling. If it works, it works. If not, go back and change the lyrics. A lot of times, or like the pronunciation stuff here. The problem, I think, is that stumbling is 2 syllables, and I'm making it 3 here for the stung, like stumbling, stumbling, like that. Sorry, I'm stumbling, that's part of the problem as well. So let's see here, that's the one I had before, stumbling.
Stumbling out of.
Let's try this. Oh, just that note there.
Stumbling out of bed. Stumbling out of bed. You.
Much better right there. Still not quite perfect, but.
Stumbling out of bed.
All right, so for the purpose of this demo, we're going to leave it like that for now so we can move along, but just kind of tweak it till you get it right. And it could take a while sometimes, but most of this other stuff sounds okay. And then we have a few options here. Since I've only did a clip of the song, I don't have the full, all the lyrics in here. And I'm only working on this part anyways for this. So I could bounce the audio from here and just put it right into Logic, which is what I'm going to do. Or I could just take this whole part here and line it up in the song to where that actually comes in, which is the way I'm not going to do it. But just so you know. And then for exporting this, we're just going to go here. We have to have this track named. So we're going to name this female vocals or whatever. Aux verse 2. And then we can just go down to here. Our destination folder we got to pick. Choose that. The file name here. It'll put that female vocal Vox verse 2 in there, I think. Or verse 2, yeah. But I can also put whatever I want here. Female Vox. And then we have the options for mix down here. I'm just going to put this one because that's all I want. Bounce that file down. And some other options down here that we have is the mono and stuff like that, 16-bit, all that fun stuff. So we could close that plugin, plop it out, import that audio file into Logic where it needs to be.
Woke up in the morning sun, cuddled up one by one. Stumbling out of bed, you said, you know I'll be here till the end.
So there you go. I just replaced it, made her the second verse. I mean, you didn't hear the whole song, obviously, but she comes in the second verse, and then previously, before this video, I did the same thing
Go.
with a female vocalist. So she's, as she's introduced, it'd be kind of weird just to have her disappear all of a sudden. I don't know where she is on here because I have so many different vocal tracks on here, sliced up like crazy. But where is she? Maybe this is it.
Go.
No. This must be it.
Go, never gonna let you go.
Yeah, she's in there.
You're all I need, that's all I need, that's all I need to know. Never gonna let you go, let you go. Never gonna let you go. Go. Tiki tiki eh eh. Tiki tiki oh oh. Tiki tiki eh eh. Tiki tiki oh.
So pretty cool. That is a vocal replacement. There's so many things you can do with Studio. I keep calling it Studio. Synthesizer Pro Studio, whatever it's called. You know what it's called. Yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I have so many other videos I'll be making on this product as well. Check it out. Talk to you soon.